This is fit for a 2018 and beyond Subaru XV Crosstrek with factory installed raised side rails. We've previously outfitted the vehicle with a Yakima base roof rack system, and here we're featuring the Yakima OffGrid medium rooftop cargo basket. We found this size to be a perfect fit, excellent proportions. This is a tubular steel basket. Aerodynamic wind fairing is included, along with removable and adjustable load bars. This basket measures in at 44 inches in length. It is 40 inches wide and sits 7 inches above the bars. The basket itself weighs 40 pounds. Lockable brackets are included that are compatible with Yakima SKS lock cores to provide security of locking the basket to the crossbars. Those SKS lock cores can be key matched to a set to lock the Yakima base rack to the side rails for full security. This is a tools-free installation of the basket. An extension is available. The basket can be split in half, and an 18-inch extension can be added to increase your overall capacity. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.